I am getting close on my Chris Bigelow Castaway Bait and Tackle puzzle. I only have this many pieces left. I'm going to try to finish this in one sitting if I can and see what's next. This has been fun. I have to tell you, if you want a fun puzzle, get you one of these. This is on Amazon. Okay, well, stay tuned for the completion. Okay, well, I'm going to have to do this again. My camera shut off and then I couldn't get it to go back on. I didn't think it was going. Well, I finished the Chris Bigelow. Yes, this is Castaway Bait and Tackle. And when I got at the end, I had this to go right in here. I couldn't get it. And I thought, I'm going to have to give up. I can't do it. It was so hard, this one little section. But I worked it in the tray. Then I put that chunk in here. But this was a lot of fun. I loved it. Look at all these little fun things. You got some writing. You've got different... You got a lake over here. All kinds of things. Wow, it was just, yeah. And so, like I said, the camera had cut off. So I drew the Hallmark Circus. And I'm excited. This seems heavy. This is super duper heavy. These pieces, no, they're thin. They're not like a springbok. Why is this so heavy? I don't understand that because it's way heavier than the average. I'm going to put this other away and I'm going to weigh the two in my hand and we're going to see. Okay, so they're bigger pieces, but it's still 1,000. This is also 1,000. And even though they're bigger pieces, still. Now, what size is this? Uh-oh, don't tell me. And look what deal I got, and 30% off. What does this say? That doesn't have a size. Oh, here it is. 24 by 30, okay. And this one's only... There we go. 19¼ by 26.625, so... Okay. So 20 by 27, just say. Round up. But it's bigger in one way and smaller in another. So anyways, I guess it doesn't matter. But I'm excited to try this. And look how fun this picture looks. That is going to be fun. And I've not tried a Hallmark. You can go on their website and you can get them, and they're not cheap. So, well, they're not $3.49 with 30% off for Senior Day. No. What does this say? Hallmark Licensing, Inc. Kansas City, Missouri. So they're still making these in Kansas City, Hallmark.com. But they're not near thick like a springbok, so I'm interested, very interested to see. All right, well, stay tuned for this journey. Stick around for the fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.